Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First off, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the draw, change the color, select the error, change the color, select the opacity, select the stroke color, select a sticker, select the 3D shape, boss button, light angle, rotate the sticker, select the color filter, sticker, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.